Ever woken up to find your electric vehicle stubbornly refusing to budge? Battery dead. The dreaded EV apocalypse, right? But while it's certainly frustrating, understanding why your EV battery died is the first step to preventing it from happening again, and maybe even fixing it yourself. And that's exactly what we're tackling today. Now, before we dive in, I want to be upfront. While I've scoured the internet for the latest research on this, I haven't found any specific, recent data to cite directly. So, we'll be relying on general knowledge and common sense, sprinkled with a bit of my own experience and hopefully, a few laughs along the way. So, why did your battery die? Let's explore some of the usual suspects. First, and perhaps most obviously, you might have simply left something on. Think headlights, interior lights, the radio, even that heated steering wheel can drain your battery if left running for an extended period. It's the little things, folks, the little things that can bring a mighty EV to its knees. I remember once, leaving my phone charger plugged in overnight, completely drained the battery. Rookie mistake, I know. Learn from my pain, my friends. Next up, parasitic drain. This is a sneaky one. Even when your car is off, there are still tiny electrical components drawing power. Think of it like a vampire in your car's electrical system, slowly sipping away at your battery's lifeblood. These tiny drains can add up over time, especially if you have an issue with a faulty component. This is where things get a little more technical, and unfortunately, without specific recent research, I can only offer general guidance. But the key takeaway is this: if your battery is consistently dying, even when you think you've turned everything off, you might have a parasitic drain. A mechanic, or a more advanced dyer, can help diagnose this. Then there's the issue of age and wear. Like any battery, an EV battery has a limited lifespan. Over time, the cells degrade, losing their ability to hold a charge. This is a natural process, kind of like how we get a little more experienced with age. There's no magic bullet here, but proper maintenance, like avoiding extreme temperatures and keeping the battery's state of charge within a healthy range, can help prolong its life. Think of it like taking care of your own body. You wouldn't expect to run a marathon without training, would you? Same principle applies to your EV battery. Another common culprit? Extreme temperatures. Both extreme heat and extreme cold can significantly impact your EV battery's performance and lifespan. Heat can degrade the cells faster, while cold can reduce their efficiency. If you live in an area with harsh winters or scorching summers, you might need to take extra precautions, like preconditioning your car or using a battery warmer. Again, specific data on this is a bit scarce in my research, but it's a widely accepted fact in the EV world. Now, let's talk about fixing the problem. If it's something simple like leaving your lights on, then the solution is, well, obvious. Turn them off. But if it's something more serious, like a parasitic drain or a failing battery, you might need to consult a professional. However, for some basic troubleshooting, you can always check your owner's manual. It's like a secret decoder ring for your car. It might point out some simple things you can check, or even some basic DIY fixes. And now, for the part you've all been waiting for, the call to action. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, there you have it. A deep dive, albeit without the latest, specific research data into why your EV battery might have died and what you can do about it. Remember, prevention is key, so pay attention to those little details and treat your battery with the respect it deserves. And who knows, maybe you'll become an EV battery whisperer. Until next time, happy driving and charging.